Holy shit. What's up, guys? Today we are at Lake Seminole and we're taking the bay boat out here to do a little bit of test driving with it. We're getting it out, getting it ready to sell. Wanted to take it out, make sure it runs good and everything before, you know, we put it up by the road and start advertising it for sale. And I just put this thing in the water. Old Mercury there cut right up. Not even a hiccup. Click that key over, fired right up. See, the boat is really clean. I mean, this boat is a 2002, and we have taken well care of it. It doesn't have a whole lot of hours on the motor. It's a good boat. I've been 40 miles offshore in this boat before, several times. All right, I gotta go pick up Dad, and we're gonna get out here and test the boat out, do a little bit of fishing. There went another fish right here next to the boat. I'm telling you now. Come back up the boat. Guys, he just missed one and it come back and got his worm right at the boat. So I just seen 2 or 3 fish come up busting the water. So I think they might be fixing to start feeding. Ooh, is that a bite? Oh, there's a fish on there. Got him with a flipping stick. I love it. I love it with a flipping stick. So guys, what I did right up there at the edge of the bank right there. And I let it fall, and then I pulled it and I felt him tick, 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 and he started swimming this way through the grass. So right now, it's the middle of the day, it's hot. The bite's tough, and we come up here and I'm seeing little bluegill come up and pop the top of the water, so I know there's a little bluegill in here. So that's why I put on this little missile baits, Super Bomb Debug. They're not bluegill, they're shell cracker. They're like a green and blue color, so about the same size of them. And this little guy, he tagged it. Oh, there's something over there feeding. Oh, that was a bite. What is this? You ever seen a bass that small? Look at the stuff on the side of them, guys. Look at that. Look at the stuff growing on him. Comment down below if you know what that stuff is. Holy shit! Yeah. That was a big one. No. Nuh-uh. Guys, that is a giant gator. Oh, that's a fish. Got the hook in him. Come on up here. That feels big. Oh, it's a jackfish. That's a big jackfish too. With a speed worm. Put him right on top of the jaw there. Guys, check out the chain pickerel jackfish. Put him right in the top of the mouth right there. I was gonna throw him back. He's gone. Get out of here. Was that you? You got him? Holy cow. Was that a big bass? No way. He just hooked a big bass with a chatterbait, boys. Just keep the line tight. Oh, I seen the swirl. There he is. We thought he was bigger than that. That's a good one. That's the biggest one today. Old chatterbait bass he caught. You gonna let him go?
Yep.
We're gonna let him go so we can catch him again. He's off. Swimming on off there. Look at where he's going. He's just going right back up in here. Back up in the grass. We are just throwing the chatterbait right now in the shallow grass, shallow water, pulling it through here. That's how he caught that one with the chatterbait, and I was using a speed worm to catch that jackfish. We caught one earlier, one just a while ago, out there off the riverbank. Y'all got your limit yet? One? Yeah, that's a good one. Well, good. We'll feel it. Okay. Oh, that's a fish. That felt like a good one there. I missed him twice right there. Oh, he grabbed it again. I'm just gonna let him take it this time. Let him run with it. It might be a jackfish or a needlefish. Got the hook in him that time. That's a bass. He's just small. That's why I missed him with that flipping crawl. Alright guys, it's getting dark. We're going to go ahead and call it a day. So go ahead, drop a comment. Please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next time.